Welcome guys for this time another video in the lake. I'm here at the park trying to do some videos unboxing again. So as you saw before in the uh, first shot, there are some boxes that I want to open, and let's find out what's in this mail today. I'm really behind schedule. The mail is, I have a lot of mail, but anyways. So here we have, let me see if you guys can look at this. Okay, there it is. I hope I can get it. So anyways, here we have, oh my, sun is gone. So there is duck right here. Oh, look at this really nice duck model that we got in the mail today. Really nice duck. Here, I think this is better close up. Now let's take a look at the next one. We have, let me see. So we have Annie and Plarail. Annie and Plarail. Oh, they look really nice. Nice stickers. Really not bad condition. This actually is good. The only bad thing is the roof right there. Some marks. I don't know if that's paint. I don't know. But there it is. Our set. Duke, Annie and Plarail on the first box. Now, next I'm going to open the next box here. It's a small box also. Trying to see what is. So I have no idea because I ordered a lot of boxes, a lot of models. And look at this. This is Emily, right? There's no clearing Emily. Oh, looks good. So that one looks good. Here's the tender, and it's heavy. I think it's the batteries are. Oh, it's working. Yes, definitely working. So let me put it right here. Nice. So we got Emily, snow clearing Emily, right there. Beautiful, beautiful model. Nice. Very clean, actually. Very clean. This one is from Mattel. So let me try to speed up because I have other very large box right here. As you can see, it's a large flat rate box. It's kind of heavy. So okay, let's see. Let me open it. Okay. So I think this is a lot of for parts fix and repair. So let's begin. Let me open the box, and ooh, there's a lot of, open it for me, Jonathan. There's a lot of paper, tissue paper. So okay, so we have right here, you can put it right there, Jonathan. Thank you. Okay, Jonathan is gonna help me. Now we have Scarloy. Here, you open the next ones. We have Scarloy from Tomy 2005. It does look decent. Really decent condition. Nice. And we got the next model is Diesel. Looks clean. I hope there's not a lot of problem. A little bit of touch up in the nose. So it's just a touch up in the nose right here. This one looks good. And the next one we have a Tommy. Is it Tommy? Yes, Tommy. This one is Tommy. Thomas. Really nice, good model. Let me put it on the second camera right there. Okay, thank you, Jonathan. The next one is a Stepney. Stepney right here. The stickers needs new stickers, side roads, and looks like the gear is broken. So also we have salty. Oh, this one is broken. Can be used for parts. Definitely. I can use the gear, the entire gearbox, and the wheel. So yeah, so we got salty. Also an Emily. Right here we have Emily. This Emily is from Tomy 2004, broken coupler. I think the shelter makes bounce the sound. Anyway, so next one is Percy. Let me try to open it. Here is a Percy. Ooh, that's a lot of dirt right inside. It's good. Tommy. It's Tommy model. Let me show you right over here. Unfortunately, the camera is picking the. Let me put it on sideways because the sun is right above in the front. So that it is Percy. It's good to make. I think Trojan. We can make Great Western Trojan from this model. Oh, look at that. We have lady. We don't have a lady at the moment, and it looks not bad. Just a little bit of cleaning. Oh, also look at this broken rubber tires, and it's okay. It's okay model. Now, next one we have a diesel tank missing the what's this? This is the claw, the pinchy. I call it. It's broken tab right here. It's not bad at all. What do you guys think? I think we can use the motor. It's okay. We can use the motor for another diesel, and actually the battery contact it's clean. It's really clean right there. Okay, let me try to speed up. So we got next is Arthur from Tommy 2004. Looking kind of orange because the sun is right in front of me this evening. Yeah, there it is, Arthur. Good model. All these are for parts, so we need do some cleaning on these models. So the next, okay, this one is also Tommy Thomas. Look at the tires, how they put it. They swap it from this. I think somebody tried to fix it. Yeah, somebody tried to fix it. This Tommy Thomas right here, but it's clean. Oh, actually this one is from the jet engine, see? So here we have the jet engine also on the set. So probably you haven't noticed the motor on this. It's bigger. It runs faster than this other Tommy Thomas. Let me show you real quick. See, the motor is different. It's a little bit bigger right there. The one is smaller. From the jet engine is a little bit bigger, and does have a screw right here in the back. It's a different design for the jet engine set. Thomas and the jet engine set. Okay, I think we're almost done. Oh, so we have the complete set for Emily. Here is the tender. Thank you, Jonathan. And here is the tender. So we got the complete set for Emily. Excellent. Now this I don't know. This one is from Mattel. It's Percy, but I don't know if is it Ghostly Percy or Snow Covered Percy. I think it's Ghostly Percy, right? Because I have no idea. I always say or thought it's Ghostly Percy or Snow Covered Percy. That's what I say. Okay, so we still have one more Thomas from Tommy right there. The good thing is that looks clean, looks good. I mean the exterior looks good, so that's a good for me. So that way I can do some restoration or fix or repair or custom model. And the last, still have more? Okay, we have more. Wow. We have Spencer from Tommy. I think we can do Mallard out of Spencer. And we have one Bachmann Clarabelles. Oh, it's broken. But that's okay. Still have another Thomas Tommy. Yes, it is Tommy. Oh, that's good for me. Excellent. A lot of people like Tommy. Here's another Thomas Tommy. So I'm gonna say that these are good. Excellent. Oh, still we have more. So here's Edward. Oh, look at that, Edward. It's nice. Looking good. The good thing is that those come with the battery cover. That's the most important thing for the set. And next we have Henry right there. It's Henry. It's looking good. It includes the battery cover. That's a plus for me. I only need to do the rewire, fix and repair, and we are good to go. Actually, the tires are okay. See right there. Now we have Gordon right here. Gordon, look at this. Look at this Gordon. It does have the battery cover. We have the battery cover for Gordon, which is a good point. Right there, you can see the battery cover. Cool. And we still have more. Wow, we still have more right here. Here's a steam alone Thomas. Nice for repair. These are sold for, I think, for $60 on eBay at the moment that I'm posting these videos. For $60 on eBay. Good, because it does have the battery cover. So I think we're almost done. Another Thomas from Tommy. It does have a little bit of clipper piece right here, but it's good. So the last one is we have here James with the battery cover. This James also from Tommy. Thank you for my son Jonathan, who helped me a lot. And I think we are done. We have these 4 steam engines with battery covers from Tommy, which are good. So we have Edward, Henry, James, and Gordon. You can fix, restore, or modify these models, and a bunch of engines over here too. Okay, I think that's all for today, for today's unboxing. So I'm gonna say thank you again for watching my videos, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.